game is brought to you by Wintrust Community Banks, proud legacy partner of the Chicago Cubs and the exclusive home of Cubs checking and...
Test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Ball's pulled to the left field side, should get some good care. Simeon pops it up, shallow center, going out half, and making the catch. The second baseman ran about 40 feet beyond the dirt in shallow center.
Let's ask about downloads.